Good morning, guys. It's a few hours since I've last talked to you guys. It's almost 4 in the morning, and yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. All right, so this is part 2 to my, I guess, bike packing trip with Komoot, where I rode my bike 330 miles over the course of 2 days to get to my best friend's wedding. There's not a lot of footage from this because I was having GoPro issues, and being that I traveled on my own, I didn't have my camera, and it was pretty clunky to carry with me, so I didn't have my DSLR camera with me, which is what's filming this right now. So really the only camera I had was my GoPro. But anyways, long story short, I met up with my friend, Jesse Kustra, who used to be on a cycling team with me back in the day. So we rode 190 miles to get from Rock Hill, South Carolina, all the way to Charleston, South Carolina. Now, the day started off great. It was super hot and muggy and humid, just like South Carolina always is. But it was a blast. It was fun riding. And yeah, long story short, we didn't really hit any rain until we hit this very heavy road in Goose Creek. If you're familiar with Goose Creek, you know it's super busy, and yeah, it was pretty insane. And it's torrential downpour and we're getting buzzed left and right. Again, I have no footage from that because I was really just focused on not getting hit by a car. But one thing that this ride taught me is how great you can feel and how bad you can feel all at the same time. Near the end of the ride, I was really starting to hit a wall, and right before I got to my brother's house, who lives in Charleston, I started to hit a wall. And I had been eating all day, and at this point I think the sugar in my gut was starting to turn over, and I was just exhausted. My back hurt, my neck hurt, everything in my body hurt. It's just crazy the differential between a 100-mile ride and then a 200-mile ride, which saying that out loud is like a no-brainer. Duh, it's gonna be harder. You've just doubled your ride. We completed the ride in about 11 hours. And yeah, we just kind of cruised. My bike weighed probably about 45 pounds because I had all my clothes in it, shampoos and, you know, coffee and whatever else. So it was a pretty heavy bike. All in all, it was a great experience, and I'm super thankful for Komoot and helping me plan a route. And also congrats, Ben and Julianne, on your wedding. And I'm so glad I got to be a part of it.
Huh? You got Logan. Oh. We need to start going that way though. Like left. Yeah, we're on route. We'll hit a road eventually. See if we can go around this shit. All right, so we're like 120 miles in right now, and it's starting to set in. Jesse's here, looking good. I'm here, looking subpar. But yeah, 80 miles to go. Let's make it happen. Yeah, 100%. Like we literally have this bridge to ourselves. Well, we made it to Charleston. 187 miles in, and yeah, we can smell salt water, and so we know we're in the right place.
Again, if you like this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my podcast, Coffee and Van Chats, which is down in the link below.